Hello guys, the return of a suburban building over here. Last time I've been here, I heard some creepy noises in this abandoned building. Since it's daytime now, no strange noises will be heard. Alright, let's check in. Wow, everything's thrown, a lot of leaves. It smells so bad here. There's some graffiti here. Yeah, this building is so abandoned. In the daytime it doesn't look scary, but at nighttime it looks scary. Alright, this is the second side. I'm not gonna go in, I'm not gonna step on the trash here. This building is so abandoned. This should be, I don't know, mansion or some kind. So weird that it's located in the bus station. This is a weird abandoned building. Oh my god. Oh phew, it was a bird. Oh phew, it got scared me to death. That bird scared me. Almost scared out of me. Yeah, this bird scared me so bad. There's even more from here. There's another abandoned house. Wait a minute. This graffiti wasn't here before when I was trying to be there. This graffiti wasn't there yet. Now it's here. As you can tell, it's really windy out here. Let's go up the hill. More trash laying here and more graffiti. Climb up. Weird looking tree over here. This is the main entrance, but it's locked. I believe this is the hoarder house here. I believe this is also abandoned. The hoarder house here. Some branches broke off. Yeah, this is the main entrance, as you can see. I believe, let's check, is this open? Let's see, is this open? Nope, it's locked. I wish I can go inside, but I can't because it's locked. Some more trash thrown here. Someone ate a Bounty chocolate bar here. Some bottles, more bottles. There's some bricks chopped down. There seems to be a tree here. Now let's carefully climb down. Oh. There's some kind of toy laying here. Oh, there's parts from the toy gun here. Parts of a toy gun is snapped. Even more trash. Look at this monstrosity. All boarded up. There's some more brick pieces chopped down. There's some matches laying. Yeah, look at this. This is in bad condition. What's this? What's the brand's name of its bottle? Oh, it's the hot sauce, I believe. Right here. Alright, nothing to explore. So let's go down and check the other house now. Let's go down here and look at that house here. Oh, what is this? What's this? Oh, this is the hairspray. Why do you leave the hairspray in here? Look at that tree. Snapped off. Let's go down here and look at this house right now. We have to carefully go down. There's a break. Look at this. So much trash here. There's some bottles, juice. Someone drank the juice here. More bottles, more Riga's balsam sizzling here. Oh, there's a Minion juice box here. Yeah, these windows also boarded up as well. Yeah, these windows also boarded up. This is, I believe, the well with a lot of beer cans. I believe this is the basement. I believe that's the broken part of it. Boarded up window part. But this way is a basement here. Yeah, I believe this is the main entrance. Yeah, there's more boarded up windows. More graffiti. And more parts of a wall crumbled. Yeah, more parts of the wall crumbled. And well, that's pretty much it. Nothing to explore. Oh yeah, last thing here is the roof. There are parts of the roof fall down here. Okay, now I have to end the video here. Well, interesting abandoned house. Today, nothing scary was been here. Oh yeah, there's another abandoned house over there. I believe it's the abandoned sauna or something here. I'll try to get there somehow in the next time. So I'll end this video here. So this is the night for I can send it out.